Why do 80% of hair lovers rave about UNice? Because quality and amazing deals come hand in hand. Let's dive into the fantastic world of UNice hair. UNice is your one-stop shop for all things wigs and hair extensions. They offer high-quality human hair products that give you the luxurious look you deserve. From glueless wigs to sew-in weaves, UNice has it all. Need a wig that's quick and easy? Check out their put-on-and-go wigs. Want a natural look? Their 13x4 pre-everything wigs are perfect. And if you're after some sunshine, their honey blonde wigs and bundles will turn heads. And here's the best part. UNice hair frequently offers amazing discounts. Think up to 70% off and buy one get one deals. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, snag those savings, and treat yourself to some gorgeous new hair. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Disoffers360 for more amazing deals. And if you love your UNice hair experience, drop a comment below. UNice hair, where quality meets affordability. Treat yourself today. With UNice, you get more than just hair. You get a whole new look. Style it, flaunt it, and feel fabulous every day. Join the community of satisfied customers and share your hair journey. Witness the transformation and see the stunning results for yourself. Get ready to receive compliments and feel more confident than ever. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from our happy customers. With countless 5-star reviews, UNice hair is the choice for quality and style. Enjoy your new hair and feel beautiful every day with UNice. UNice hair, where your hair dreams come true. Treat yourself today.